I was talking about amino acids, alpha amino acids. Actually, alpha amino acids are of two types: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. This is a very small topic. Actually, amino acids, alpha amino acids are of two types: essential and non-essential. The amino acids which are synthesized by the human body are known as non-essential amino acids, and which cannot be synthesized in the body and must be obtained through diet, that is called the essential amino acids. So very simple. What is essential amino acids? The amino acids which human body cannot synthesize and must be supplied in the diet, okay, are known as essential amino acids. For example, valine, leucine, and other example phenylalanine, lysine. The lack of essential amino acids in diet can cause diseases such as kwashiorkor. Which disease? Kwashiorkor. The lack of essential amino acid. Essential amino acids की अगर कमी हो जाएगी तो क्या हो जाती है? डिजीज क्वाशियरकोर. क्लियर? और मेरेज्म, दिस इज बायोलॉजिकल नेम, मेरेज्मस. ओके. एंड नॉन एसेंशियल अमीनो एसिड्स विच कैन बी सिंथेसाइज इन द बॉडी, जो हमारी बॉडी में पहले से ही होती हैं, लाइक ग्लाइसिन, एलेनिन and other. Okay, and there are 26 amino acids, alpha amino acids. 20 are common and 6 are present in a special organism. वैसे तो हम 20 पढ़ते हैं, ठीक है ना, but 20 total amino acids are 26 and 20 amino acids are common, 10 essential and 10 non-essential. Is it clear?